Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Trench Battle Minigame. In the beginning, let's go to Minigames and enter Trench Battle.
Online, ready?
Beat blockers to reach the quarterback and make the sack while staying within the bounds of the trench.
On two, ready? Here we go, here we go. Ready?
And now we can select Trench Battle Long Haul.
Online, ready?
Principles are the same, but there's a longer route. And that's it about this minigame. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.